Hello everyone, good morning. I am Priyanka Bhatia from Women on Wealth, and it is episode number 20 of mutual funds in the My Investment Mastery series. As far as mutual funds are concerned, as you already know, mutual funds are made up of stocks, and the stock market is at its peak right now. So, just in the newspaper today, I'm looking at the newspaper here and sharing what is written here. So, the bulls have regained the lost ground. The indices are at almost their all-time high. Sensex is at around 51,400. It is up by 2.3%. Nifty is at 15,245, about 2% up, and the Nifty is just now 1% away from an all-time high, and Sensex it is 2% away from their all-time high. So with the market touching its all-time high, it is critical that we go back to the basics of investments so that we are not losing in these times. It's a great time to average the costs. It's a beautiful time to make sure that we are on track with our investments. A lot of us stop investing when the markets touch their all-time high. And today, because of that reason, I am bringing an important topic, which is what is SIP, Systematic Investment Plan. So a systematic investment plan is a mode of regular investments in equity mutual funds. Whenever you notice I'm looking on my right, I'm looking at my notes. So SIPs can be done in amounts and regularly they can be done. So weekly, quarterly, monthly basis, you can decide what amount you need to invest at a particular interval, and that predetermined amount can be set up for SIPs. It's more automatic. Once you set that up, there is an auto debit system and automatically the money gets deducted from the account. One of the best ways of entering in the market is through SIPs, and it's a beautiful investment discipline which helps you in rupee averaging. So like in the beginning of this video, I said that market is at its all-time high, almost all-time high. Nifty is just 1% away from its all-time high. Sensex is just 2% away from its all-time high. Anytime that peak can be hit, we don't know which way we are headed. Are we going to go down? Are we going to go up? Nobody knows the future. What we definitely know is building the discipline that can help us average our investments, that can actually help us reach our goals. And the SIP form of investing could help us do that. So that's why bringing the basics back. So SIP is a flexible, easy investment plan. Auto debit from the bank account happens in the mutual fund scheme, specific mutual fund scheme that you will identify. And at the end of the day, so whenever you've invested, at the end of that day, whatever be the ongoing market rate, which is also called NAV, net asset value for that day, so you will be assigned, you will be allocated certain number of units on that day at that time. So every time you're investing money, additional units are being purchased at market rate. So imagine guys that if the market is going further up from here, well, nobody knows the future, but we are just saying that okay, if it is going further up, then at least we would have bought some more units than we will buy in the future. If the market is coming down, then yes, we are averaging all throughout. Waiting doesn't help in this market. So SIP becomes a systematic way of investing, building that investment discipline throughout. So units are bought at different rates, at different times. The intention is rupee cost averaging, which means more units when the market is low, less units are allocated to you when the market is high, and the averaging just keeps happening. So imagine if we are going up from here, which the market has always been, right? Like I often share, from 4,000 points, it's today at 15,000 in a matter of what, from 92 to now. So that's what constantly happens in this market. It has 4 times since that time, and it's only going to go up, and our job is to just keep averaging for those long-term goals. So initial years we will keep averaging, and then over time we will let it be, we will let it grow. Sheetal, Ridhima, good morning. So there is no fixed tenure for running SIPs. You can run them for as long, at least run them for one market cycle, which is 7 years. Okay, one market cycle is up, down, stagnancy and back, and at least you need to be running it for the first 7 years, and after the tenure ends you can let that investment be for it to compound. So you can withdraw in full, you can withdraw partially. So withdrawal is not a challenge when you are choosing an SIP kind of investment. An SIP amount can be increased, decreased. So SIP just is a method to investing in mutual funds. Never ever say that I'm investing in SIP. That's not the right thing. SIP is a way, it's a systematic way of investing in mutual funds. So basically you are investing in mutual funds, and I did a full video on this. Sonika, good morning. So SIP is an ideal tool for equity investing. Risk profile, you got to look at it. For the long-term goals, yes, this is an investment. And especially in today's market, it's a critical part. Okay, that we get what we need to be doing. We can't be just sitting and waiting for that downside. It may never come. It may come, but it'll be a very small percentage. Like just today, the market has gone down by 200 points, and we don't know where it is headed. So it could be just best to keep investing and averaging. Hey Lit, good morning. So guys, on this note, what are we getting? Please start typing. What are we learning? What are we getting? My intention was to make it topical given today's market conditions. That's where I was coming from. So very quickly guys, what are you getting? Also, I have put the link of all the 19 videos on mutual funds with this video. So you will find all the links to other 19 videos on mutual funds that we have done. So make sure if you missed any, you go back, you learn, because financial education is the only way forward. Hey Prerna, good morning. Joined late? Got it. We are done for today. You may want to re-look at the video now. We're almost done. I'm just waiting for some takeaways to be shared. Any time is ideal for investing in mutual funds if done systematically. Beautiful Lit. That's it. You actually got it. And the important part is never to get stopped. The market is almost at its all-time high, and we do not get stopped. We invest systematically. We keep going for our goals. Sonika, stay invested. You cannot time the market. Got it. So your confusion is cleared today. I am glad to hear that, Sonika. That's the whole job of this community, is to provide clarity and give actionables to each woman to move forward, because action, sufficient and appropriate actions only bring results. Meenal, continue the SIP. Yes, average the cost. Jyoti, it's the best vehicle to stay disciplined with regard to investments. Yes, rupee cost averaging is the advantage. Go for it, Prerna. So if any of you have missed, make sure you look up this video from the very beginning. The intention was to help you keep going for your goals. On this note, closing my Investment Mastery series, everyone. Keep showing up. If you're taking value from these videos, make sure you share these videos. You can share them among your women's groups, in your stories, on your timeline, in any WhatsApp groups. So go ahead, please share, because the intention of Women on Wealth is to make 50 lakh women financially educated, and that cannot be done without your support. So go for it, support the cause. Let's convert this into a movement together. Take charge, guys. Stay safe. Bye-bye.